Hello guys, what's up? For my today's vlog, I want to share it with you my another wonderful tour experience here in Israel, Stalactite Cave Nature Reserve. We are just arrived at the slopes of Judean mountains, the only entrance going to the one-of-a-kind cave not so far from Beit Shemesh. It is one of the famous cave here in Israel, 1 hour travel time from the city of Tel Aviv. It's my first time to visit this famous place, so come and join. Let's see and experience this amazing sculpture of our nature.
Guys, yung mga kasama natin, waiting tayo ngayon dito sa loob matapos ang mahabang lakaran pababa. Nandun yung cave entrance, guys. Ayun, cave entrance. So doon tayo papasok, pero may ticket. Antayin natin yung ticket. Tayo sa entrance ng cave. Ayan yung entrance. Doon yung entrance. So, antayin natin yung ating leader. Ayan na guys, papasok na tayo sa cave entrance. Hindi ko lang alam kung makikita yung ating camera sa loob kasi madilim. Ito na. Ito na. Mayroon pang orientation.
And first, no eating inside, okay? And second, taking photos. You can take photos, but no flash and no any other light. And third, no touching the stone, no touching the stalactite. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Going into the cave is like entering another world. I am really amazed with the incredible scenery inside the cave, with the illumination of artificial lightnings, which gives more majestic view of stalactites and stalagmites formations. The pathways down to the cave, along with these beautiful and unique stone formations, which are carved into the limestones over thousands of years, added to the enjoyment of the experience. This is a nature reserve cave, a 5,000 square meter cave on the western side of Mount Yaela in the Judean hills next to the city of Beit Shemesh, and about 20 minutes west of Jerusalem. It is also known as Soreq Cave, famous for its unique and spectacular stalactites and stalagmites formations. One of the most visited cave here in Israel. It is absolutely beautiful, 100% worth seeing.
Ayan guys, medyo madilim dito sa loob kasi bawal daw ang may ilaw na camera. So, ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang tayo mag-video, walang light, no light. It's not allowed. So, kita naman kahit paano yung ating mukha.
Dalawa.
Yan. Ayan. Ganda din. Ito yung aming tour guide na napakaganda.
Wala kami tour guide. Niloloko mo kami. Walang ganda.
Yan, tayo. Ang ating stalactites formation. Ganda ng ano guys, sobrang ganda. Ganda ng ano. Ganda ng mga formation nito. Picture tayo.
여기는 그래도 좀 그래도 얼굴 좀 보이네. 저기
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Grabe yung taas, oh. Ang laki, oh. Mula dun sa taas hanggang baba, oh. Napakaganda.
Stalactites and stalagmites decorate this cave. Stalactites hang down from the ceiling, while stalagmites rise up from the ground. They grow incredibly slowly. It usually takes 1,000 years to grow a 10 centimeter. Some studies shown that some are over 190,000 years old. These tooth-like rock formations grow when dripping water comes into the contact with the cave air. The water carries dissolved minerals, pick up on its journey from Earth's surface. As it passes through the cave, it leaves tiny traces of those minerals behind, building each stalactite drip by drip. Most stalactites are cone-shaped, thick at the top, and tapered to the point at the bottom. But some are hollow, shaped like straws. These stalactites grow when water trickles down to their center. As each drip evaporates, it leaves another shell of minerals at the bottom of the tube. Cave straws are incredibly fragile and often crumble at the slightest touch, making them rare to find. Limestone caves often contain stalagmites as well as stalactites. These structures grow on the floor, with a thick base and a point that looks up towards the cave ceiling. Some are flat like fried eggs, while others are long and thin like broomsticks. Stalagmites often grow directly beneath stalactites.
Baba na tayo. Hanggang baba pala to. Napakaganda, grabe. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Nakaka-amaze yung ganda dito sa loob. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. So, ayun na guys, palabas na. Ang ganda yung view dito, banda. And guys, tapos na yung ating tour. Palabas na doon sa taas. So, yan, naipasyal ko kayo dito sa Soreq Cave. Pagka may time kayo at merong mga pa-tour na ganito, samantalahin nyo guys kasi bihira lang to. Bihira lang. Bihira nyo lang makakita ng mga ganyang formation. Masarap makakita ng mga ganitong formation.
Ay, kita ako. Sige, paunain mo na lang.
So yan, labas na tayo. And guys, tapos na yung ating tour doon sa Soreq Cave, Stalactite Formation. So ito ang mahirap na part, yung pag-akyat. Kasi kanina madali lang pababa, pagpunta. Ngayon ang mahirap guys yung paakyat, pagbalik dun sa bus. Siyempre nakakahingal, lalo gantong mainit pa. So ganun talaga, tiyaga-tiyaga para ma-experience yung mga ganyang mga klase ng lugar na hindi pa natin napupuntahan dito sa Israel. So ayan guys, kita nyo naman, sobrang init ngayon at nakakapagod umakyat. So guys, that's all for this vlog. Soreq Cave experience. Shalom, manishma. Mga batang cute, kakapagod. See you again guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.